Hello students, this is ISI 2020 MCQ solution part 4. Okay, so this question is 19 ABC are distinct odd natural numbers, then the number of rational roots of the polynomial x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so there are rational roots of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c obviously. So if root over b square minus 4ac is rational, it is only possible when the discriminant is a perfect square, that is b square minus 4ac is, we can take it like d square, it's a perfect square. So 4ac equal to b square minus d square, so that is b plus d, b minus d. So we can observe that this d is odd, so hence b minus d and b plus d both are even. So now AC equal to b minus d and b plus d. So both are odd. So b minus d we can take b minus d by 2, we can take it as 2k plus 1, and this is like 2l plus 1. So but b equal to 2k plus 2l plus 2 in this way. So which is not possible. Hence answer is 0. So then there is no rational root. Okay, now this is about a subset and planes. Let's have a look to the question. Okay. They given that ABC are the finite subset and S equal to A union B union C. Assume that there is no points of S are collinear and assume that each of ABC has at least 3 points. So which of the following is true? Okay, so there exists exactly a triangle, there exists a triangle having vertex, and there exist two triangles having the vertex ABC such that the triangles does not intersect. So here it's a theoretical structure, not much of a maths involved. So let n be the minimum number of points in of S that can be in the interior of a triangle, that can be interior that has a vertex from each of A, B and C. So now such triangle ABC where A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C in this way. So let n greater than equal to 1. So x belongs to S be the inside of the interior of ABC. So without loss of generality assume, so we can say that x equal to A prime belongs to A. So then A prime BC, so A prime BC has less than n points of S in its interior. Okay, so which is impossible? Listen to this part properly again. So if A dash BC has less than n points, so S is in its interior, which is impossible. So n equal to 0. So there exists a triangle having a vertex from ABC that does not contain any point of S in its interior. So 20 is been done. Answer is A. Next, it's a small question. Quickly we can solve it. Please have a look into it. So Shubhangi thinks she can. So let's see what Shubhangi thinks. So she can be allergic to Bengal gram and takes a test that known to have given her the following results. For people who really do have the allergy, the test says yes on a 90% of time. For the people who do not have the allergy, then so 15% wrong, 12% of the population said the allergy, and Shubhangi test says yes. Then the chances that the Shubhangi does really have the allergy. Okay. So let A equal to yes. H0 is Shubhangi has allergy. H1 does no allergy. So H0 is given 0.02, H1 98%, 0.98, A given H0 is 0.9, A given H1 is 0.15. So by the Bayes rule, we need to find out Bayes theorem H0 given A. So P of A given H0 into probability of H0 by probability of A given H0 into probability of H0 plus probability of A given H1 into probability of H1. Okay. So now if we calculate this, this is 0.9 into 0.02 divided by 0.9 into 0.02 plus 0.15 into 0.98. Okay. So once calculation is being done, you can see it. This is 18 by 165 or 6 by 55. So the answer is B, correct. Next one. So if sine equal to this, then cot x. Okay. So here we need to apply a little bit of formula, the good old formula. Let's see. Okay. So let alpha equal to tan inverse x and beta equal to sine inverse root over 13 by 17. Then minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, both alpha and beta will exist. So tan alpha equal to x, sine beta equal to root over 13 by 17. So sine alpha equal to cot beta equal to cos beta by sine beta. So cos beta equal to 1 by root over sine squared beta. So that is 2 by root 17. Once it is been done, so now we can go to the sine alpha part. That is equal to cot beta, that is equal to 2 by root 13. So cos alpha equal to 1 by root over sine square alpha, that is 3 by root 13. So x equal to tan alpha 2 by 3. So hence the answer is B. Next is 23. It's about a permutational structure. So if the word itself is permute, okay, is permuted in all possible ways, and the different resulting words are written down in alphabetical order, all known as the dictionary order, irrespective of whether the word has the meaning or not, then 720th word. So putting the letters of the permute in the dictionary order, the first one E, E, M, P, R, T, U. That's the word. So since the last 6 letters are distinct, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 6 are distinct. So 6 factorial, 720 permutations do not change the position of the first letter and include all possible permutations of last 6. Then the 720th word is definitely by the last of the given dictionary meaning of the permutations, which has to be E, M, P, R, T, U, or that is E, U, T, R, P, M, E. So seeing the options, we can say that option number B is correct. Next one, the points are given. A little bit of coordinate things are here. 4, 7, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, and 2, 3, minus 1 in the RQ are the vertices of a rectangle which is not a square, rhombus, parallelogram, or trapezium. So all 4 points belong to the plane z equal to minus 1. So that denote A equal to 4, 7, minus 1, B equal to 1, 2, minus 1, C equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, and D equal to 2, 3, minus 1. You can take it. So we can find out AB. So that is minus 3, minus 5, 0, that is equal to DC. and AD will be -2, -4 and 0, that is equal to BC. So vertices of AB and AD are not orthogonal and of different lengths. Not orthogonal of different lengths, so parallelogram which is not a rectangle. Next one, let f and g are the functions on the real line such that both fg and gx are differentiable, then which of the following is false. Okay, have a look. On a real line, so fx plus gx. Okay, let's solve it now. So fx 1 and 0 two values where x positive and where x negative, gx also in the similar way you can write 0 and 1, x greater than equal to 0, less than 0. So now fx plus gx equal to 1. So fx into gx equal to 0. These are differentiable. So while both fx and gx are discontinuous. Okay. So hence the given structure will give us the answer that obviously fx and gx are necessarily continuous. So 25 answer is C. Now go to 26. Let S be the set of consisting all the real numbers that can be written in P minus 2a, and the perimeter is also provided. Okay. Now area of the right angle triangle having both lengths, so S we need to find out. So let x be the height of the triangle. Okay. Equal to x by 2. So S is the set of all real numbers in the form 1 plus x plus root over x square plus 1 minus x. That is 1 plus root over x square plus 1. So this thing has to be greater than 2. So seeing this greater than 2 means, so this goes to t to infinity. So the S is following this. Last 4 only left. So 27. So this we have a non-empty subset. It denotes the largest number. Okay. And Fn equal to a belongs subset of SLA. Then Fn is the sum of the numbers LA, while a range is over the non-empty subset of S. Then Fn is what? Okay. So let L of A equal to K. Then all the elements of A can be arbitrary elements. So 1, 2, dot, 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 k minus 1. It means that then 2 to the power k minus 1 subsets of 1, 2, dot, 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 n with LA equal to k. Now Fn equal to summation of k 2 to the power k minus 1. So now we can compute this value and our job is done. So summation of k into 2 to the power k minus 1 is 1, k equal to 1 to n. So now in this case ddz of z to the power k. This is ddz of z to the power n plus 1 minus z by z minus 1. So that is n plus 1 z to the power n minus 1 z minus 1 minus z to the power n plus 1 minus z and z minus 1 square. So at z equal to 2 we can get that this is n plus 1 whole to the power 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2. So this is 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1. So if we see that D is the correct option. Now moving forward to the next one, that is question number 28. Okay, the area of the region based question. Okay, this satisfies mod y equal to 1, this point also, and x square. So the area of the region we need to find out. Okay, so the parametricize the region will be given with respect to this and this 2 minus y square less than equal to x less than 2 minus y square. So the area is 2 minus y square dy 4 root 2 0 to 1 1 y by root 2 square dy. Okay, so 8 0 to 1 by root 2 1 y square root y, and this is dy. Now let y equal to sine theta. If we take y equal to sine theta, so this will give you 8 0 to pi by 4 cos square theta d theta. So that is 8 theta by 2 after integration. Sine will be 2 theta, this divided by 4, theta equal to 0 to pi by 4. So once we put this value, this pi by 4, pi by 8, sine to this, so 8 into this, so pi, and last part is 2. So pi plus 2 is the answer, hence C is the answer. So 28 done. Last 2 left. So let n be the positive integer. So let n be the positive integer. Okay, where t belongs to 0 to n, and in this case we need to find out this value. Okay, so let me just write it down. Summation of r ncr t to the power r 1 minus t to the power n minus r. So this is t, summation of r equal to 1 to n, so n factorial n minus r factorial r minus 1 factorial, t r minus 1 1 minus t n minus r. So nt summation this n minus 1 c r t to the power r 1 minus t. A little bit of adjustment has been done, so this is nothing but n into t. This is nothing but n into t. So the option number A is correct. Time for the last question of 2020. For any real number x be the greatest integer, x be the greatest integer of n such that m less than equal to x, and then the number of points of discontinuity of the function, and the points of discontinuity of the function gx equal to gif of x square minus 2 in the interval minus 3 to plus 3. So we observe that gx is actually even and gx is equal to minus 2 when x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So it is enough to find out the positive points of the discontinuity and multiply the result by 2. So the function x tends to x square minus 2 is increasing in the form to minus 2 to 7. So when 0 less, x less 3. So x belongs to 0 to 3 is a point of discontinuity of g of x. This is only possible if and only if x square minus 2 is given as an integer. So there are 8 integer values from minus 2 to 7. Okay, so the answer is, this will be multiplied by 2, so 8 into 2 16. That's it. So we managed to finish it up. So if you have any other questions, doubts, I've made the subjective videos as well. You can get back to me anytime.